Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am working in the garden doing some little odd jobs, and it is now July, so I need to add some more soil acidifier to my blueberries. So I wanted to show you how I'm doing that today. So the pH of my soil is still really alkaline, and it's reading like a 7 or 8 in pH, and blueberries prefer it more like a 4 or 5. And this means that the soil is more acidic, and so I'm using a soil acidifier to lower the pH of the soil around my blueberries to make them happy and healthy. So I'm using this soil acidifier for hydrangeas and blueberries, and these are new plants. They're not established, so we are using a 1.25 cups and spreading that evenly around the plant to the drip line, and then repeating it every 2 months. So I'm just using a set of measuring cups that I have specifically for my greenhouse, and we're just scraping back the mulch, sprinkling this around, kind of working it into the soil a little bit, and then covering it back up. It's a pretty easy project, but it ensures that I have some healthy and happy blueberries. So let's go ahead and get these guys fertilized with some soil acidifier. Alright, and that's pretty much it. It's super simple. You just sprinkle the soil acidifier around the base of the plant, rake it in a little bit, cover it back up with some mulch, water it really good, and then do it again in 2 months. So I am going to need to get a new bag of acidifier for the next round, which will be September. And then these guys should be well on their way to being happy in their new home here. So Unless, of course, this doesn't work, and then I need to take a different route, and I might need to use something a little bit stronger than this, like elemental sulfur or something else. But for right now, this is what I have, so it's what I'm using, and hoping it works. So, yeah, so that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. If you have any questions about growing blueberries or lowering your pH of the soil, go ahead and leave them in the comments below, and I will be happy to answer those for you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.